Hey guys, I'm working on my Lexus GS300. I'm trying to investigate what's going on with the headlight. Likely, I'll have to replace the headlight ballast. So I got everything torn apart. So while I'm at it, I discovered that one of my parking light, or sometimes called city light, one of the bulb went out. So I thought I'd make a quick video on how to replace that. You may not have noticed, but there are 6 different lights in your headlight assembly. This video is on how to replace the parking light bulb. Also note that your parking light should stay on first and second click. As you can see, the driver's side parking light is not coming on first or second click on the light switch. Rotated the headlight switch, one click. Nothing's turned on here. So in here, you got that small amber light there. So to get at that one's actually easy. So you come here, it's this thing here, basically this. So you can turn it and pull it out. Yeah, that light bulb looks like it's blown. Look at that. I was trying to pull the bulb out. I'm glad I was doing this carefully because it almost cut my finger. It broke in pieces. Almost cut my finger. So be careful, guys. So I got the Sibelian 168. This is the matching bulbs that came off of this. Only one side is busted, but I'm gonna go ahead and replace both. Anything around the headlights, you're not supposed to touch the bulbs. So I'm gonna put some gloves on. So this is the parking light, and the bulb, I just pulled it straight out. And if you look carefully, you see it says 168. So I'm gonna get this bulb back in there. You see these tips here? Some are big and some are smaller. So you got to get that aligned before this will go back in. So let me see. Okay, I got it back in. So the trick is you got to get those tips aligned to the right size holes. You see this plastic piece here seems a little bit broken, and even the piece around where the bulb went in, it was partially cracked. So that's in there, and I turned it this way. One more click. Remember, this is the second click. Okay, now you can hear the beeping because of the fog light is disconnected. Side marker is on, low beam is on. Okay, high beam is off. City light is on. Low beam is high beam is off. City light is on. Low beam on. Side marker on. So it looks like everything's working. And turn that off. So it looks like all the lights are working, but I know this light here is sometimes turning on and off. I do know that, especially when I'm driving. So I think I still need to take this apart and see if something is loose. Because when it goes off, I just turn it on and off, and and then it'll eventually come back on, and then it'll eventually go back off. So, all right, so that's my next work.